Good morning, all of you. Look at the sentence. A over fox, brown dog, lazy, a jump quick. This makes you sense? No. A quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Now it makes sense. So, what is a sentence? A group of words that makes complete sense and expresses a thought is called a sentence. We use sentence when we speak, read and write. All sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamatory marks. Let's learn each type of sentence in detail. There are 4 types of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that starts or declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. It always ends with a full stop. For example, all the students agreed to play a friendly match. Tina completed her assignment at time. Started with a capital letter and end with the full stop. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is an interrogative sentence. It always ends with a question mark. For example, why were you late for class today? Can you lend me your red pen, please? In the end, we put question mark because we are asking questions here. Now, exclamatory sentence. When a sentence expresses a strong feeling, it is called an exclamatory sentence. It always ends with an exclamation marks. For example, oh no, we lost the match. How majestic the tiger looks. Where we put the sign of exclamation. Now, imperative sentence. When a sentence gives an order, command, request or suggestion, it is called an imperative sentence. It always ends with a full stop. For example, please give me a glass of water. Here we are requesting. Shut the door. Here we are giving order. Now, we will do some exercise. Put the correct punctuation mark after each sentence and say whether they are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative. The sun was shining brightly. This is an assertive sentence. So, we will put here full stop. Wow, what a beautiful house. This is exclamatory sentence, so we put in the and the sign of exclamation. Why were the dog barking? This is an interrogative sentence, so we put question mark in the end of the sentence. Please shut the door. This is an imperative sentence, so we put full stop at the end of the sentence. Who is the monitor of the class? This is also an interrogative sentence, so we put question mark here. Now we will do some exercise. This is your homework, students, and you have to solve these questions. Put the correct punctuation mark after each sentence and say whether they are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative. You have to read all the sentences very carefully and solve this. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.